Kendra. So today I'm going to be doing my top 5 leave-in conditioners for you guys. I know I've gotten a lot of questions about the leave-in conditioners that I use since I am a gel user when it comes to my curly hair. If you don't know, I only strictly use gels for my styling products, and you guys wanted to know some of my favorite leave-in conditioners to pair with those. And I feel like the last time I did like a top 5 or top whatever kind of video for hair products, I was talking about my favorite gels, and I think I did that last summer. So if you guys want to check that out, you can go watch that video because I still love all of those gels and I still use them this summer. So I'm going to be doing my top 5 leave-in conditioners. They're mostly spray form. I have like one cream leave-in conditioner. So if you're a spray leave-in conditioner girl, if you like something like more lightweight, less heavy, then you'll like this video. And my hair is really thick and I have a lot of it, so if you have my hair type, then I think you will really love these. And even if you don't, like, these are still pretty lightweight enough for more fine hair. So I'm gonna stop rambling and just hop into the video. Okay, so the first leave-in conditioner I have to talk about with you guys, I don't currently have it with me. I have all 4 with me and I don't have the 5th one. So it is from the brand Uncle Funky's Daughter and it's called Midnight Train leave-in conditioner. I'm obsessed with that leave-in. That's why it's currently gone. It's not in my possession right now. I have a hard time finding this leave-in conditioner in store. Like, it's not at my Target, and they do have Uncle Funky's Daughter's products at Target. They just don't have this leave-in conditioner for some reason, and you can get it at certain local beauty supply stores, but I just ordered mine online, Amazon of course. So that's like the quickest way to get it for me. If you have a local beauty supply store that does have the Midnight Train leave-in, get it, thank me later. It smells amazing. It's a wonderful detangler and it's very, very hydrating. I think it has like aloe leaf juice in it or something, and it pairs really well with the curly stimulator from their same brand. That's their gel, and it's one of my favorite gels ever. So that's a wonderful pair. So I highly recommend that one. Like I said, it smells so bomb. So the second one that I love so much is from the brand Apogee, and this is like an OG product for me because I use this on my straight hair as well. This is their Pro Vitamin leave-in conditioner. It's bomb. When I tell y'all, this is probably one of the best leave-in conditioners that you could ever try. Your hair is going to be so soft, so like, it feels so healthy and strong. So I think the Pro Vitamin part in that, it has like some good vitamins in it to help your hair maintain its health. And if your hair is not healthy, you can get it to a healthier state if you consistently use this. A lot of people ask me about their like protein treatments, if I've used those before, and I have. I feel like I did a video maybe 2 years ago on how I got my curls to like bounce back when they were going through like a crazy kind of funk. And I use their protein treatment. So all of their products are really good, at least the ones that I have tried. But this has got to be like my favorite product from the entire line. It smells like kind of like a cotton candy, not really cotton candy, like an old school like 90s hair moisturizer. That's probably the most random reference, but that's like what I think of when I smell it. It's like a really nice mist. I love the spray that it comes in. You can also get the bigger packaging, but it's like a squeeze type situation. Yeah, this reminds me of something my mama used to use in my hair. I use all of these on damp hair, so if you guys are wondering, I don't use these to like refresh my curls. I use these as a leave-in conditioner like they are. This one is really good if you have really damaged hair, or if you have very fragile hair, or if you just want to maintain the health of the hair that you already have. It does say serious care and protection, so this brand is really good for that, and you know, just like an intense, like good nourishing treatment product. So I love this. It says it smooths and detangles, improves body and shine, and it does protect against heat. So if you are looking for a heat protectant, this is really good for that as well. I have so many heat protectants that I don't use this for that. I use this as strictly a leave-in conditioner, and this also detangles really well. That's the one thing I like about spray leave-in conditioners. They do a really good job at detangling your hair. So I just spray all mine in sections like I do most of my products. Or you can just spray this all over, however you like to apply your leave-in conditioners. Whatever works best for you, that's how you can use these. But I like to section mine, and this one is bomb. You can get this one at Sally's or Amazon. So this next one I've also been using for quite a while. This is from the brand Carol's Daughter, and this is called their Sacred Tier Anti-Breakage and Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner. This one I was put on to by Kelzy because I used to use the one with the purple like trim packaging. Is their hydrating one. I'm not sure about the exact name, but I know it's got the purple trim and it's the more hydrating one. That one is also really, really good, but I love this one because it does a really good job with taming frizz a lot better. And I like that it's anti-breakage because, you know, like if you're trying to retain length or if you're trying to grow out your hair, or if you already like the length of your hair, anything that says anti-breakage, I'm all here for because I feel like it does a really good job. It's strengthening the hair and like keeping it strong and healthy. So that's why I love this one. It does say that it's for damaged, fragile, frizzy, and unruly hair. It restores strength, prevents damage, and smooths away frizz. So I do love this. I don't know if you can use it on straight hair. I mean, I'm sure you can, but probably use a little less because this is like a little bit more like a heavier, like more moisturizing kind of product, whereas the Afro-G is like lighter. So this one I feel is a little bit heavier to me, like on my hair at least. But I love this one. I love like it looks like sweet tea. Love the color of it. And I just love that this product is very consistent like the Afro-G one. Every time I use it, like my hair loves this stuff. It just drinks it up and I just like the consistency. I love consistent products. So I highly recommend this. You can get this at Target and I'm pretty sure anywhere else that you can find Carol's Daughter's products, but I usually get mine at Target. Okay, so the fourth leave-in conditioner that I have here is from the brand The Main Choice, and it is their Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Restorative Spray. It says it helps to support natural growth and retention. So I love this leave-in conditioner. I actually like it better than the gel that they have, even though I'm obsessed with their biotin gel. It leaves so much residue in my hair and I need to figure out a better way to use it because it makes my hair defined. I actually have it in my hair today and I always pair it with this leave-in, and I just wish it didn't leave so much residue in my hair. So, but other than that, I love the Main Choice products, love the deep conditioners. I've mostly liked pretty much every product that they have, so I'm obsessed with like most of their deep conditioners. That's like my favorite thing in their line. And I love this leave-in. The Restorative name kind of got me. Like I said, I love anything that's like restorative, anti-breakage, preventative kind of things like that. So those are like the words that I look for in my products. And this smells phenomenal. It smells very tropical like the name. So it's very accurate, the title. It does say that it instantly delivers and locks in lasting moisture, helps to improve elasticity and definition, refresh and boost curls. I don't use it as a refresher. Fights frizz, softens and hydrates. It also enhances natural shine and luster, and it helps to strengthen, condition, and protect. So those last three right on point with what it does for me. I love that it says it's for curly, wavy, and kinky hair. So this is for all hair types. And it's like a teal, kind of like a green liquidy color. Highly recommend this one if you guys have not tried any of the products from The Main Choice. This is a really good one to start with if you're looking for a new leave-in. Love it. And I highly recommend this one. I got this one from a local beauty supply store. So if you have a beauty supply store near you, then you can check it out there and see if they have it. Okay, so this very last leave-in is not a spray one. This is the only one, like I mentioned earlier, that was a cream form, but I'm obsessed with this product and it's probably one of the most nourishing, most moisturizing curly hair products that you could ever try. It's from KenMurrell and it's their Curl Love Moisture Milk. I love this product so, so much. When I tell y'all my hair is so, so smooth and it has amazing slip and it just feels super nourishing. If you have really dry hair, this is for you. If you don't have like super dry, super thick hair, then this might be a little too heavy. But if your hair is the opposite of that, then you're gonna love this. It smells like a really sweet, it says it has rice milk and macadamia oil. So I'm assuming that's probably why it's really nourishing, because of the milk and the macadamia oil. It says a softening leave-in conditioning cream with light notes of macadamia and vanilla. So I was right about the sweet smell. It smells kind of like a creamy, like cake. Kind of smells like cake. So if you're not into like sweet smells, you won't like this. But I love it. It has like a nice warm smell. I love this. So it's a really good like winter like leave-in curly hair product. So if you have a hard time keeping your curls moisturized in the colder months, then this would be really good for you. I love it. It works really well with the KenMurrell's Curl Maker that I'm obsessed with. Also another one of my favorite gels. So this says, love your curls back with Curl Love Milk. It says our softening leave-in conditioning cream with silkening rice milk and droplets of warm macadamia oil is crafted to hydrate and elongate hair strands. So this does a really good job at elongating your curls. That's the one thing I do appreciate about this product. It does elongate my curls because y'all know I got the shrinkage life over here. If you struggle with shrinkage, I find myself like always doing this to my hair because I go from like, you know, longer looking curls to a bob in like 30 minutes when I first do my hair. So this really does a good job with elongating them and stretching them, but I love how hydrated and moisturized my hair feels. Also, when I add this to my hair first, like when I put this on first before the curl maker, I feel like my curls last longer. So this is a really good wash and go product for like a really long lasting wash and go. So if you want to try this product, highly recommend it. It's not the cheapest like most KenMurrell products, but they're so worth it. They have really good ingredients and your hair is gonna thank you for it. So I really wouldn't put a price on the ingredients that you put in your hair because you'll see it later on. So I highly recommend trying this. I get mine at Target, and I also get them sometimes in like pairs of 2 on Amazon, because sometimes some of my favorite hair products come in like a 2-pack on Amazon, and I will get that option because I go through products quite fast. So I highly recommend this one. It's a bomb. Y'all need to get into it. Okay, so hopefully I breezed through that rather quickly because I didn't want to like ramble on and use like the same adjectives. That annoys me when I go through these videos and I'm editing them and I'm like, Kendra, you already said that. They get it, it's good. So hopefully I gave you guys enough information on each leave-in conditioner without rambling too much. So I will have every leave-in conditioner that I talked about in the video linked below so you guys can check them out, read more about them. You can try them if you would like, and you can kind of explore the brands that I just mentioned, like to see what other products they have that you might like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.